Okay, Michael Jaafar, what did you think about what defense counsel did there, talking about the focus being on the other people that are alleged to be involved here?
That could either be a brilliant strategy or a strategy that in the defense world we just say doing the best you can with what you have. We are not all privy to the evidence that he's privy to. He might be dealing with the best thing he possibly could, but at the end of the day, think about his predicament at this point. He's got to represent his client, right? And he's been given the facts. The facts have all occurred before he took on the case. And so he's looked at the evidence and he has sized up the evidence and said, this is the best strategy we have. Look, do defense attorneys make mistakes? Yes, I don't know if he's making a mistake here, but clearly what you're seeing is a defense attorney doing the best he can. He must have looked at the evidence and said, all fingers point to this group of people. My job is to get my client. I don't represent the other people. I represent my client, and my job is to get my client off the hook. She's the person. She's the person on trial right now. So in order for me to get her off, all I have to do is break down one of the elements beyond a reasonable doubt. If I can prove that they did not prove every element of the crime beyond a reasonable doubt, we win. In order for me to do that, like the conspiracy charge is an easy one for him to fight, because with the conspiracy, they've got to show that she was a part of the plan. He's trying to knock down at least one of the elements, and the best way to do it in this predicament that he's in is to point the finger to other people. He's not going to be able to defend the other people and his client. He's chosen, obviously, to defend his client.
All right. Yeah, they've got a tough job here with all of this evidence and just the nature of these two dead children. And something else that really stuck out to me was the fact that Tylee Ryan's DNA was found on a pickaxe and a shovel in a shed on Chad Daybell's property. And I'm wondering, kind of putting two and two together, we heard about Chad and Lori's cases that were joined being severed after the court learned of some DNA evidence that came to light, and something warranted these cases being separated. I'm wondering if that was it, because then their defenses may become adverse to one another's, and it sure looks like hers is adverse to him with her pointing the finger at him today. So